Okay, so you guys can hear me? लग रहा है आज। दो मिनट दो मेरे को। Okay, so let's try to understand about joins. Okay, so in the last lecture, like some of you have some doubts, right? Yeah, let's quickly wrap up that. Refresh. I'll just click here. टूट गए अफसोस में। Oh, system looks very slow. Let's see. Let's quickly change color. You're okay with this black screen, right? This black color and this white pen. It should be. So we are talking about join. Okay. So first of all, what is join? As I said earlier also, normally we don't store all your data into the single table, because if you store everything into the single table, then that table size will be really huge. You will have a lot of columns will be there in that table. So generally we don't store everything into the single table. Normally it's not recommended. Okay, so what we do, we basically create multiple table, and based on the table we will store their data. So for example, let's say I have two tables are there. Mm, I'll do one thing. I'll take another example. Like, let's say I have one account table and I have one loan table. In this account table, I will store account related information. In this loan table, I will store loan related information. Okay, so let's say we have a column called, ऐसा करेंगे इसको Excel में लेते हैं हम लोग थोड़ा सा. Let me do one thing. Let me open the Excel. Okay, so this is my Excel. Let me open the Excel. Okay, so what I want account table, and I want one minute. Let me tell you the table structure. Okay, so I have this. Okay, and let me show you this one. Do we have table wrap text? Okay, let me just zoom it little bit. Okay, so this is my control X. Wait, so this is my account table, and I will create one more table here, that is my loan table. In my loan table I have a data like this. This is my loan table. Again I'll just wrap it. Okay, ठीक है. Now let me do one thing. Let me just zoom it little bit. I'll just give some border so that it looks nice. I'll give some border here also so that it looks nice. I'll just use this account table. Okay, so this is my table name and this is my loan table name. Okay, these are the two tables we have. What is this? These are my columns. So column I'll just change to some different, and these are my columns. Again I will just change this. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just make it in here. I'll just make it here and here. So these are the two tables we have. One is my account table and second one is my loan table. Now I want to know that, okay, I want to know that. So in this account table, I can see the informations which is related to the account. Like for example, there is a person called Amit. He is having saving account. His current balance is 50,000 and his account is open in Pune branch. Then we have loan ID, because every person will have account ID and we will have loan ID, correct? Loan ID will be different, account ID will be different. So this 101 person, the person who is having account ID as 101, he has taken home loan. The person who is having account ID 101, he has taken home loan. But what is his person name? What is his person name? Is it available in the loan table? That person details, is it available in the loan table? No. Loan table only contain the data of loan. Who is storing the information about your account, like what is his name, which account he is having, that information is available in the account table. So as I said earlier, like whenever you are in a situations where you want to take the information from multiple table, like it is not possible to collect the information from one table, so what I need in the output, so what is my output I'm expecting, that I will tell you. I want in the output like I need customer name. So if I just I'll not use this, I'll use my here. What I need in the output, I need a customer name. So customer name will be coming from account table, and I need the loan type, which will be coming from loan table. What is the first customer name? I'll just copy this customer name and I'll paste it here. So by looking to this table structure, can you tell me what is the loan type of Amit? What do you think? I need this here. What is the loan type of Amit? Which type of loan Amit has taken? By looking to the structure, what do you think, guys? Which loan Amit has taken? What do you think? Which loan Amit has taken? Can you get the loan information from account table? No. Can you get the loan information from loan table? Yes. How do you say that home loan? The Amit has taken home loan and personal loan. Why? Because you are referring to the account ID. So whenever you are doing joining, there should be one common column, and that common column in this two table is which common column? Account ID. So whenever these two tables are common joining, they are joining by using the column called common ID. This is the account ID. Can you see here? We have account ID here. Now Amit account ID is 101, and 101 person has taken two loan. Which loan? Home loan and personal loan. So here account type will be home loan, and one more entry will be there for Amit. One more entry will be there for Amit. What is that? He has taken which loan? Personal loan. Personal loan. Then, so what Neha has taken? Which loan Neha has taken? Neha, her account ID is 102. 102 car loan. Can you see here? The Neha has taken car loan. What Rahul has taken? Which loan Rahul has taken? 103. 103 education loan. So I'll copy that and I'll paste it here. Which loan Priya has taken? Priya is 104. Which one? Business loan. Which loan has been taken by Kiran? Kiran is 105. Kiran is 105. Which loan? Can you see here for 105 there is any entry? Can you see 105 any entry in this loan table? Nothing. It means the Kiran, there is no entry available in loan table. This is where the inner join play an important role. What inner join is saying that if there are records which are common in between first table and second table, then you can use inner join. So inner join is referring to, so whenever you have first table and you have second table, now this is my account table and this is my loan table. Which area is common? This area is common in between these two tables. So we have Amit, because 101 is available on both side, 102 is available on both side, 103 is available on both side, 104 is available on both side. Can you see 105? 105, can you see 105 here? No. So this is not a common record. This is not common record. So does Kiran record will be there in the output? Kiran record will be there in the output, especially for when you say inner join, because inner join only display the common record. Common record. So in inner join, Kiran record will not be there in the output. It will not be there. So why we need join? Because I need a two column information which are coming from two different table. And whenever you are joining, there should be a common column. And that common column with this example is account ID. This is the way we are doing that. Now what I will do, I'll just create this table also. Let me do one thing. Let me create this table. So first of all, CMD, let me open the command prompt. Okay, let me do the SQL plus / as HDB. Let me create account table. So first of all, I'll create one account table. Under that account table, I am going to insert some data. So I created this account table. Let me insert some data into this account table. Let me create loan table. Let me insert a data into the loan table. Now if I say select star from account, okay, set lines 200 pages. Okay, this is my account table. Select star from account and select star from loan. These are the two columns are there. See here, account table and loan table. So what I need in the output, what I need, customer name and loan type. Customer name and loan type. Now customer name will be coming from which table? Account table. So I'll say select account dot account, the first table name dot customer underscore name, comma, loan type, loan dot loan underscore type, from which table? Account table, join with which table? Loan table. On how they are joining? With the common column. What is that common column? Account dot account underscore id is equals to loan dot, what is that common column name? Account underscore id. So I'm giving table name dot column name. So if I run this command, I'm getting some error message. Account underscore id. See here. Can you see Amit, Neha, Rahul, Amit? Because Amit is having two loan, home loan and personal loan. Priya, but one record is missing here. Which is that record? One record is missing here. With this example, there is one record which is missing, and that record is Kiran record. Why? Because 105 account ID does not have any loan, no loan. That is a inner join. Now, if I am asking you whether the person, whether the account holder, whether the customer is having account or not, let me tell you one more example. Whether the customer is having loan or not, I need him in the output. I need all the customer with loan and without loan. So in that, I need all the record from which table? I need all the customer whether they have loan or they don't have a loan, but I need that in the output. So that time I need all the record from this account table. So that time I will use with, it's not just a inner join. Even if you don't mention that is inner join, that time I will mention left join. So when I use left join, you can see Kiran is coming in the output, but what is their loan type? It's blank. What is the loan type? It's blank here. Why the loan type is blank? Because we don't have, the Kiran has not taken any loan. That is the reason. The Kiran does not have any loan. Did you get my point, everyone? Are you able to understand? Is it clear now? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. We can also use, see, generally, if I just want to tell you in terms of diagram, so inner join will be like this. Like, let's say you have first table, you have second table. Whenever you say inner join, so this portion is common, right? Can you see here? This is something we called it as an inner join. Whenever you say left join, in left join you have a table. Under that table, let's say this is my second table. In left join, common record will also come, as well as all the record from the left side, means whatever table which you consider on left side, like we have right now, one is loan table and second table is account table. So all the record from account table will be coming. Opposite to left join, we have right join. In right join, what will happen? In right join, all the record from right side will come, as well as which record? The common record. That is the right join. So all the records from right side plus common record. And then there is one more type of join is there. We called it as a full outer join. In full outer join, the common record is always coming, okay, irrespective of any join you use. But in full outer join, full side record means or left side record will also come and right side record will also come in the output. That is called full outer join. That is called full outer join. So if you just go here and if you say right join instead of left, you say right join, see what will happen. So we have right join. Can you see Kiran record now? Why the Kiran record is not available in the output? Because you are taking all loan type now, all loan type. And along with that, there is one more type of join is there. Just replace this. The concept is same. Full outer join. So in full outer join, all the record, all the record will be coming from left side as well as right side, everything. So how to consider that which is my left table and what is my right table? Okay, so there is no logic for that, like how to consider that. For example, generally by looking to the structure, we can say that okay, this is my left table and this is my right table. So for example, let's say you have, for example, let's say you have one more table structure is there, like I have a student table and I have department table. So what do you think, like who is more important for you? Student is important or department is important? Means you need department information or you need student information? By considering this, what do you think? Which table you will keep on left? See, even if you keep student or even if you keep department on left side, there is no problem. It's just like instead of using left join, you need to use right join. Okay, instead of using left join, you need to use right join. That's it. Now consider a situation that if I'm asking you, consider a situation that if I'm asking you, I'm looking for all the student who is the part of some department. I need that student information. I need the student information. Okay, let me repeat the question. Let's say I need to see only the student who are part of some department, who are part of some department. So every student should have some department in the output. So which join you will do, guys? Which will be your left table, which will be right table? Let's say student is my left table and department is my right table. So by considering this problem statement, which join you will do? I need to see only the student, not all the student. I said I want to see only the student who are the part of some department. The student should be the part of some department. If the student is not the part of some department, I don't want to see that. What do you think, guys? Let me repeat the question one more time. I want to see the student who are the part of some department. Like let's say we have Sagar. Sagar is the part of some department. Akash, he is the part of, let's say there is a person called Ramesh. He is not the part of any department. He is not the part of any department. I don't want to see him. Which join you will do? Left join or error join? I need to see the records. Okay. Which join you will do? You will go with the inner join only. Inner join. But if I say I want to see all student, whether they are the part of any department or they are not the part of any department, I want to see all student. So which join you will do then? In that case, I want to see all student. Definitely you will go with the left join only. I want to see all department. I want to see all department. Then, so department means you'll go with the right join. You'll go with the right join. I want to see all the student who are the part of department. I want to see all the department who is having a student. Some like this. You'll go with the full outer join. Full outer join. So that's the way you can use. Again, With this join, you can use whatever things that we have discussed, like you can go with where clause, you can do group by, whatever you want to do, everything you can do. You can use aggregate functions. Okay, so all these things also you can play with that. Okay, you can play with this. Is it clear now? Those people who think, thought like, the join was not clear, is it clear now? Everyone, is it clear? Everyone, is it clear? Okay, ठीक है. I want to talk about, see, I'm just taking like couple of examples only. Okay, you guys do, a lot of practice, like as I said, like, you can refer to the chat GPT, Claude, or anyone. Just create a multiple examples are available over the internet. Um so so you guys can, try that. Order by one, as I said now. All right, see, order by one me what? See, order by means, see, if I say select, my first column name is, let's say, ID, then comma, and then salary, and after that you have your query. Let's select ID comma name from, let's I'll mention from EMP. And now this result, I want to do some ascending order or descending order. So let's say I want to do the ascending order by ID. So I'll say select ID comma name comma salary from EMP, order by ID. So what it will do? It will do like this: 1 2 3 4. You'll get the output like this. But if you don't want to mention the column name, now this is my first number column you selected, this is my second number column, and this is my third number column. So you can say order by one also. Now what is meant by order by one? Order by one means basically your order by ID only. If you say order by two means order by name actually. Order by three means order by salary. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so that is 1 2 3 means what you are selecting, that's just a numbering basically. Okay. Fine. Now one more important concept I want to talk here, maybe quite important for data engineers. uh, 1 minute. कितना टाइम हुआ? ठीक है. There is something we called it as a some people are calling it as a ranking functions, or you can also call it as a windows function. Okay, window function. So like we have multiple ranking functions are available. Like for example, when I say we have a row number, a rank is there, then we have dense rank is also available. Okay, uh, so what is this ranking function and how would this row number, rank, and dense rank works? Let's try to understand that. So first of all, let's take an example of row number. Let's take an example of row number. So what Oracle will do, or not only Oracle, basically your all the databases, every record, okay, every record it will give you some row number internally. For example, let's say I am taking the example of this table only. So these are my four records, 5 records are there. So basically what database will do, internally it will give some number, like for example it will give row number like 1 2 3 4 5. So internally it is giving some number 1 2 3 4 5. Whether you have any duplicate record, whether you have any unique record, irrespective of anything, it will not check. But internally it will give some numbering like row number 1 2 3 4 5, something like that. It will give you that. For example, let me take one example like this one. So select star from which table we have, loan table, for example, like this. So how many records we have right now? I can see there are 5 records are available here. So I'll say select, let me check star comma row underscore number. This is one function actually. Okay, so this is one function. Or you need to always mention or on what? So you can mention order by what we have, order by, let's say loan ID, loan underscore ID, as I want to give same name, row underscore num, from which table? Loan table. Select star नहीं चलेगा क्या है? Select star row number over, if I say, just check me, loan underscore ID comma loan underscore type, if I say like this, just star, it doesn't work. Fine. So if I say loan type, what do you want? Let's say loan status. I'll say comma loan underscore status. Okay, see here, just read this statement, just read this statement and observe this row number. Just observe this row number. What you observe from here? So basically row number is nothing. Okay, row number is just internally it will assign every row some number 1 2 3 4 5. The syntax is you are going to select whatever column you want in the output. Okay, you are going to use a function called row number or order by loan ID. Like how are you going to show the output? I want to see the loan ID in the ascending order. So it will give 1 2 3 4 5 based on the loan ID order by. What column name you want to give? I'm just giving a row number from loan. If I say, like we have one more table is there, select star from which table we have? Account table, right? If I say account table, now I want to see the ranking of each record here. So I'll say select, what do you want in the output? I want to see customer underscore name. What do you want? I want to see the account type, ACCOUNT type. What is the third thing you need? Customer name, account type. What is the third thing? I want row number. So I'll say row underscore number. This is the function. And whenever you are using functions, you need to use in bracket. After that, over what? This numbering will be given with some order. So I'll say order by order, ORDER, order by what? You can give account ID. Okay. Then as what is the column name? You can give row number, ROA. You can give any name. Okay, that's not a, this is just a name to the column you are giving from which table? Account table. See here. So it is just giving row number 1 2 3 4 5. This is row number. Row number does not have any logic. It's quite simple. straight away it is going to give one unique number to the account. Second important thing is, second important function is basically your rank functions. So what rank will do, this is quite interesting. Rank will work something different. What rank and how the rank will work, let's try to understand. So order by balance also you can give that. That's order by whatever you want to give based on your requirement, you can use, there is no problem. Now how the rank function will work? So rank will give every record a ranking. Every record it will give some ranking. Every record it will give some ranking. But I'll show you one example. Let me show you here. Uh, Let me show you here. Okay, this is one table. You see the output and you yourself will try to understand and let me know what you understood from here. This is the example of rank function. Just read this output. This is the final output after using the rank function and tell me what you observe here. Okay, so we have the salary called 9,000. Okay, this is my first salary. This is my first salary. What is the first salary? 9,000. So basically we are trying to use order by salary in the descending order. Correct. In the descending. So 90,000, then 85,000, then 85,000, then 70, 70. So you can see here we are using order by salary in the descending order. And here we are giving the rank 1. So the person who is having highest salary, the person who is having highest salary, he is getting rank number 1. The person who is having second highest salary, he is getting ranking 2. But there is one catch. There are two people who is having same salary. Can you see here? Like these two people, they are having same salary. So they both are getting same rank. Whenever you are using rank function, if the column is having same salary, same value, they will get same rank. After that we have 70,000 and here you can see the rank is directly 4. It's not 3. So what rank function will do? What rank function will do? What rank function will do? The rank function will skip the ranking internally. If there is a tie, the same rank is assigned and the next rank is skipped. Did you get my point? If there is a tie, so there is a tie in between here. You can see the tie here. You can see the tie here. So if there is a tie, the rank is same. If there is a tie, the rank is same. And after that, it will skip the rank. Skip the rank means it is not giving 3 rank. It is giving 4th rank. Again, so these two records are same, na? So it is giving 4th rank here. It is giving 4th record. And after that, again, it will give 6 because 1, 2, 3, directly 4, 5 and 6. Directly it will give 6 rank. So this is all about the rank function. Completely opposite to this. Not completely opposite, but one thing that you will see in dense rank, one thing you will observe in dense rank. Now this is dense rank example. Just read this, just see and let me know what you see the difference. What do you see the difference in the rank and dense rank? What do you see the output in the difference? What do you see here? Tell me. Observe both the output and tell me the difference that you observe in the rank and dense rank as well as in row number also. Like I'll just add one row number also. And this is your row number. What do you observe? Take a minute, okay? Take a minute. Take a minute. Understand. Understand slowly, slowly. You yourself will understand. what do you observe? This is row number. So what do you observe here? See here. What do you observe, guys? See, in row number, straight away it will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In rank, what you have seen? If the two people is having same salary, if there is a tie, it will give you same rank. But the next record will be skip and directly it will get 4. Again 4 and after that 6. What about the dense rank? So in rank it is skipping. Can you see here? In rank it is skipping, but in dense rank is it skipping? Is it skipping? The next record, does it skip the rank? Does it skip the rank? 90,000 first rank. 85, 85, 85, 85, same rank because both are having both are having same salary. But what about the third one? What about the third one? After 2 directly it is coming 3. After 2 it is directly coming 3. After 2 directly it is coming 3. And then again it is coming 4. So it is not skipping the rank. So basically, if I want to write down here row number assign each record new rank. What a rank will do? If there is tie, assign same rank, and for next record skip rank. Skip, it is skipping the rank. And in dense rank, same record, same rank, and does not skip the rank. Does not skip rank. Is it clear? Is it clear? My handwriting is not good, but did you understand what I'm trying to make you understand? Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? First of all, understand the concept, then how to implement that in the example, we will see that. Is it clear? Okay, so that's how it is going to work this function. So now we will try to take some examples of your rank, dense rank, and row number. We will try to understand with some example. Okay, so we will take the example of this rank, dense rank, and all, but not today. Okay, I'm tired. Let's see in tomorrow's class. Okay, and we will try to understand about these functions also in tomorrow's lecture. Okay, go back, check it once, and if there is any questions, queries, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so we will try to see all these rank, dense rank, row number with some example, how and where to use ranking function, so you'll understand it much better way. Today my intention was, first of all, you should know what is row number, what is rank, what is dense rank. Many times, especially these data engineer people, they will ask in the interview what is the difference between rank, dense rank. Okay, they will try to, okay, ask the questions. For DBA, not that required, but it's okay. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, let's continue this. Thank you. Bye.